and Mr. Chris with us. So we're going to let Miss Elizabeth tell you set up some ground rules, okay?
Okay, first of all, in our class, you have a question, you raise your hand. Wait for us to call on you before you speak. Be respectful to everybody in here. No pushing or shoving, no yelling across the room. Follow our rules, okay? We'll have a lot of fun.
Now, we're going to start off with an activity where we talk about a letter, and then we say a movie or an actor's name that starts with that letter. Everybody here likes movies? Yes? Okay, so the rule is you guys pick a letter first, and then I pick the next one. Okay, so who wants to pick a letter? Anybody? Molly?
B.
B. So, what's the movie or an actor's name?
Bugs Bunny.
Bugs Bunny. So I pick the next letter. I pick Y. Who wants to start? I say a name or an actress, movie's name or an actress name starting with Y. Anybody?
Wendy?
Wendy?
Can it be the second name? Like Old Yeller?
Yeah.
Okay.
O Yeller?
Old Yeller.
O Yeller. Okay, pick a name. Is that what I'm talking about? Is that right?
Old.
Old Yeller. Okay, cool. Makes more sense than I thought it might make, but okay. Okay. Come on, pick a name. I mean letter. Sorry.
In.
In? Movie or an actor name? Come on, it's not that bad.
No movies that start with N?
Actor name. Come on, famous actor starting with N.
Natalie Portman.
Wow, I was thinking Nicolas Cage. That's good. Natalie Portman. Wait.
Oh, God.
Okay, my turn. I pick N. Again.
Nicolas Cage.
Cheating, cheating. That's cheating, but okay. Alright, we're going to do two more. Pick a letter.
Wendy.
Come on. When? Sorry.
A.
A. Okay.
Avatar.
Avatar. Nice, I like that. My turn. R.
Somebody besides Wendy.
Yes. Please.
Somebody over here.
Lori. R. Movie or an actor? Actress, either way. R. Come on.
Carey.
Anybody else?
Richard Gere.
Okay. I knew that was cheating, but cool. And is it G-E or G-E-L? I don't know.
Close enough.
Avoid that. Okay. So, did anybody notice something? We're going to split this chart up in 3 different parts. In each this part, do we notice something? Anything?
There's 2 letters.
Here, yes, there are two same, yes. What else? Why did I split it in 3 sections with 2 letters in it? See, anything common?
2 of the letters are the same in the
Yes,
middle.
yes. Other than that, anything
Why
that
are
you
they the
see?
same?
Because we picked N and then you picked N.
Why did I pick N?
There's a pattern.
What is the pattern?
Whatever the next letter is the last letter of the movie or actor.
Great job, Molly. B, and we saw the bunny. There you go. You see that? So, I want you all to see a pattern. We're going to talk about it, and Mr. Chris is going to carry on with our next lesson.
So I'm going to do a similar thing with numbers. I'm gonna write some numbers on the board, and you're gonna shout out what you think would be next, or what kind of things you're seeing. Okay? You ready? So start off with this pattern. Anybody see pattern? Yeah, I was thinking of
Oh, sorry.
it. No, it's completely fine.
Sorry, miscommunication of what we were doing.
Okay, so I'm gonna write numbers here. Can you tell me which one will come next? Anybody see something? 13. Now why is that?
You add the 3.
Because I add 3 to every one of them?
Yes.
Okay, and why is that there? It's just the number I chose to start with, right? So what would come after this?
16.
16, very good. And you can continue it, right? Now, here's a harder set of numbers. You can tell me what's happening here. We'll start with 1. And 1, can you see? Okay. 2, 3. Anybody see a pattern? Anybody? Adding the numbers together. Which two numbers? So, how did I get 3 here? Or how would I get the next number?
The two numbers before the number.
The 2 numbers before. So what would come next? 5. Good. And what after this? 8. So you see that this 3 plus the 5, that's equal to 8. Okay, and you could continue this pattern, right? Okay, so let's do it for a little bit. Following the same pattern, what comes after 8?
Anybody else? Lori?
Anybody else?
Lori? What comes next?
I don't know.
Why no? How do you
Okay,
think?
so let's-
Yeah, sorry. Go on.
5 plus 8. This is the strategy she said. And what's 5 plus 8? Anybody?
Lori, what's 5 plus 8?
13. Very good, very good. So that equals 13. So you see that we're making a pattern here, and this can continue to very, very large numbers if we wanted to. Now, now we're going to hand out a slip, and we're going to ask you to do a couple of simple problems, or not so simple, but try your hardest. And after you're done with them, as you work through them, see if you can find some pattern how we're doing, how you can do these methods.
Okay, so as they're passing out slips, I want you all to try to figure out one last pattern, something that this might have in common. Say we have 7 times 3. What is that? Anybody? 21. All right. What is 1 plus 1 plus 1? 3. Okay. What is 7 times 1? 7. And 7 times 1 is? 7. And 7 times 1 is? 7. Awesome. So if we add all of these 7s together, what do we get? 21. Do you notice something here?
You just wrote 2.
Oh. Thank you, Molly. Are we noticing anything here from this?
There's a pattern.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, what is it? What do these things have in common?
All right.
3 sevens make 21.
Right?
But 3 threes don't make 3. Correct. Like you multiply 1 with 7, but you didn't multiply 1 with 3. Why?
I'm sorry, you're going to have to ask me that another way.
Okay. For the second one, you multiplied 7 with 1 3 times and you got 21, right?
21 by adding these?
Yes. And you have another number which is 3. So why did you multiply 3 with 1 and then add all of them?
Well, So you mean we're gonna do that 3 times and add those?
Because
I
I
can.
thought that would be the pattern.
I can do that. What's 3 plus 3 plus 3?
It's 9.
9.
Okay, so.
Do you see how any way that maybe 9 connects with this in any way?
Mhm.
No. So maybe the reason I didn't do it is because this isn't the pattern that I want you to look for.
Okay.
7 times 3 is 21. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Then maybe 7 times each of these parts added together is also 21.
Okay.
Y'all see that?
Yes.
Does it make sense? If anybody has any questions, please ask me. It's okay if you don't.
Sorry, I see you're lost.
I'm alright. She's good. She's good.
1 plus 2 is also 3 though.
Yes. Correct. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Okay. What is 7 times 1?
7.
What is 7 times 2? 14. What is 7 plus 14? 21. Awesome. Okay. So yeah, Lori, or Wendy?
Does that work with other numbers?
Mm-hmm. Yes, and that's exactly what you're about to see.
Before we do that, we're gonna have you arrange in groups. So
Yeah, can everybody line up here by height?
from shortest to tallest. Come on.